how to edit photos on your iPhone without downloading any extra apps. The built-in Photos app includes powerful editing tools that let you improve your pictures in just a few taps. Here's how to use them. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now, find and open the photo you want to edit. Next, tap the Edit button in the top right corner of the screen. You'll now see several editing options. To adjust things like brightness, contrast, exposure, highlights, and saturation, tap the adjustment icon at the bottom and swipe through the available tools. Simply drag the slider left or right to make changes. If you want to apply a filter, tap the Filters icon and choose the one you like best. You can also crop, straighten, or rotate your photo by tapping the Crop tool. This is useful for improving composition or removing unwanted areas from the image. As you make changes, you'll see a live preview of how your photo looks. Once you're happy with the edits, tap Done to save them. And don't worry, if you ever want the original photo back, open the image again, tap Edit, choose Revert, then tap Revert to Original. That's how to edit photos in the Edit tools in the iPhone app using built-in photo editing tools. If this tutorial helped, be sure to subscribe for more iPhone tips, photo editing guides, and iOS tutorials.